Hi, I am Dr. R. Jalababu, lecturer in chemistry, YVNR Government Degree College, Kaikaluru, Eluru District, Andhra Pradesh. I am nominating myself for National Award to Teachers 2025. Now I am going to present my biodata with educational qualifications and outstanding performances throughout my career. Educational qualifications: BSc at Bapatla College of Arts and Science, Bapatla; MSc at SV University, Tirupati; BEd at Priyanka College of Education, Ongolu; PhD, JNTU, Kakinada. I qualified CSIR NET with the 20th rank and also qualified AP SET. Research publications: 13. Number of patents published: 2. Number of books edited: 5. Number of book chapters published: 18. Number of research papers presented in seminars and conferences: 7. And I am peer reviewer for Journal of Global Ecology and Environment. I fellow in Indian Council of Chemists and also fellow in Indian Science Congress Association, and different positions held in administration: IQAC coordinator, NAC coordinator, Swayam NPTEL Spark, academic advisor for academic audits, PC coordinator, NSS program officer, and BOS subject expert for chemistry at different autonomous colleges. FDPs webinars and workshops organized. International webinars organized: 4. National webinars organized: 2. National workshops organized: 1. International webinar organized as a joint secretary: 1. National level 5-day FDP organized as a joint secretary: 1. Number of guest and invited lecturers as a resource person: 40. FDPs and academic extension programs attended: 27. Seminars or webinars attended: 32. Workshops and training programs attended: 11. And I completed NPTEL Swayam courses: 6 and edX online courses: 5. Video content prepared: Slider videos 15 with the duration 6.68 hours and views more than 16,000. YouTube videos 17, duration 5.8 hours and views more than 3,000. And also generated 4 coordinates APCCA LMS video 7 and duration 5.8 hours. 16.75 hours duration 35 Swayam NPTEL lectures are translated into Telugu language. And awards and honors received: Best Teacher Award in Chemistry, Best NCC Program Officer, Pratibha Puraskar Award, Best Faculty Award in Science, India Asian Best Teacher Award 2023, Best IQAC Award 2024, Young Professor of the Year Icon Award 2024, Best Researchers Award 2024, Meritorious Award received from Collector Eluru District. Thank you very much.